Hey, hi guys. Good evening, everyone. In the previous class, we have discussed about five programming classes. In this lab, we will discuss about how we need to write a code for few programmings that we have a question mentioned here. Coming to part one. Here what first question come to first question. So here professor was asking create a search and name is GPIO. It should have the following member value variables. So nothing but int pin boolean is output and bool is pull up and int base adder. In this we need to first of all we need to study the question properly. We need to understand and we need to write a C programming class. First after getting into the question, so just open our Visual Studio Code. Just go to the question. Here it is asking create a search and name is GPIO. It should have the following member variables. So that is int pin, integer pin, boolean is output, boolean is pull up, and int base adder. Then in your main function, create an object called GPIO and assign the following values to it. Pin should be 26. Its output should be true. Its pull up should be true. Base order should be 0. This one. So after assigning the values, sorry, after assigning the values, print the result to the console. Create a separate folder for your header file, source, and builds. So coming to VS Code, so we have done the same. So this is the first task. So under project folder we have created, under software we have created four folders. So four folders in the sense we have four programming. The first one we'll rename it as project underscore gpio, and that we will create we will create three folders, subfolders. That is nothing but build, include, and src. Under include we need to create one file that is called file name.hpp. So in that hpp we are defining the program, and under src we are writing the main class. So we are creating the file name and we are writing the main class. So this is the main class and this is that this we are defining. So after writing the main class and after we are defining the we are defining, then go to terminal, control j, come to this particular location, come out of this under software. Sorry, we are in correct location. Just go to this particular, if we want to build this code, just go to this location because we need to build only this code, the project gpio. So click on cd project underscore gpio. Yes, now done. So now just try to build this one. So we need to write one command g plus plus space hyphen o dot build slash main. This is the command to build the program. Just enter. So after entering, so then we are clear. Then just build this program. Yeah, build main dot exe. Then try to build. See here we have got pin is 26, output is 1, pull up is 1, base order is 4000. Yeah, this is the way we need to do. In this question also professor has mentioned the same thing. GPIO1 output should be 26, true in the sense 1, true in the sense 1. So we have got the correct output. So now the same way we need to go for second task in the sense, let's read the question. Question is like create a C++ program with a class named gadget. This class should have two private member variables, a string name and a double price. Include a private member function display price that prints blah 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 blah. Okay, just go to the VS Code and just create one task, that is called task 2. Just create two folders under task 2, that is called subfolders. One is build, one is src. So under src you just create and write a main class. So this is the main class, this is the function that we are writing. So just try to build, we will get the output. Here we are using class gadget, private, std, double price. So here all this way we need to write the code. Then come to third one in the sense, just go to the professor. Yeah, here professor has already mentioned some few code lines. So the following initializer is in error, identify and fix the problem. So here I think, yeah, we'll fix the problem. See, class x integer int I int j base I okay. So this is the third task in the sense, just we need to go to software folder and create one folder called task 3. So under task 3, just create one function called main.cpp. So the thing is like, just compare what is the issue for, I mean, what error is there in this code. So if we observe here, here integer remember and rem and base is there. So we need to replace here. If we observe, see carefully, base and rem is there. So we need to I mean, we need to modify the places. So here, see, if we have modified this code and we are getting the output correctly. So coming to third one, coming to final one, just create one more task called task 4. Just create two folders, one is build and one is src. So under src, you just try to create one function .cpp file. So under function .cpp, we need to write a c programming. So this code is nothing but uh, how to in this exercise, you will demonstrate your understanding of static member C++. You will create a simple C++ class with a static data members and static member function. The goal is to familiarize yourself with the how statistics for the maintain. See here, we need to create a class with the static data task. Here, create a class with the static data members. Define a class named counter. Inside this class, declare a static data member named count of type int. And also here we are initializing, here we need to initialize the static members. Initialize static data member count to 0 outside the definition. We need to add a constructor, add a static member function, test your class. So these are all the requirements that we need to mention in our programming. So coming to here, we have done everything. So this is the coding. Just complete the code according to our requirements. So I have done the same thing, as include class, my class, private, public. So here we have taken three objects, one class, object 1, object 2, object 3, my class. So we are displaying the count. So the same way, we need to get output here. So after getting the outputs, just try to come out of this project, go to software. Now we need to push it into GitHub. Just type git status, just check git status. Your branch is up to date within the origin master. So I think this file is not no, this file is slash main.exe. Okay. If this error is there, if this is not required, then we can come to here, come to our particular code, and we can delete that one. It's not mandatory. I think just go here, just check project gpio build.main.jst software, project gpio build. This one is not required, means you just delete this one as of now. So again, next we need to if we have change, if we have made changes, so just try to add git add, then just try to commit git commit space -m. Just write anything, code updated or code changed, updated. Okay. Okay, then just, oh sorry, then just we need to push this code to our github, git push origin, and we need to enter, we need to, I mean, we need to enter whatever the name we are, that which branch we are pushing to. So git master, so automatically it will come to, it will go to our github. Just we will check whether it is into github or not. Yeah, here we have done. This is 4 hours back. Right now I haven't done because already I have pushed, so that's why I'm not doing now. So see, task one. First one is the project gpio. If we see here, project gpio, next task 2, task 3, task 4. So these are all the tasks has updated in our github. So you will find the, here we will be getting to know whether our code is pushed or not. If we click on here, Yeah, click on projects, click on code. So here it will show 4 hours ago or 3 days, like whenever we have post into GitHub, it will show the timing. So 4 hours in the sense last 4 hours back I have post. So this is the way how we need to push the code. So yeah guys, this is the requirements that we have done for today. Thank you.